Today, we're going to look at a really cool tool that unlocks a whole new dimension for your AI. It's called Discord MCP, and it's designed to do one thing, and do it brilliantly. It bridges that gap between your powerful AI agents and the super collaborative world of Discord. So let's dive in.
So think about it. You've built this incredibly sophisticated AI agent. I mean, it can process data, it can run tasks, maybe it even writes code. But it's kind of stuck. It's stuck in a silo, just waiting for you to give it a command. It can't just jump into a conversation, post a status update, or help you manage your community. So in short, yeah, it's smart, but is it social? Well, that's the problem we're going to solve today.
And the solution is Discord MCP. So what is it? Well, you can think of it as an open source server that basically acts as a translator. It connects any AI that speaks a specific, standard protocol directly to the Discord API. This is what allows your AI to step out of its little box and become a real, active participant in your Discord server.
Now, if you look under the hood, Discord MCP is a Java application built on the Spring Boot framework. What it does is it wraps this really powerful library called JDA, which stands for the Java Discord API. And what that does is it essentially bundles all the complex functions for talking to Discord into a neat little set of tools that pretty much any AI can easily pick up and use. So what is this standardized protocol that the AI has to speak? It's called MCP, the Model Context Protocol. And the best way to think about it is like a universal connector for AI. You know, just like USB-C is for all our devices, MCP is what lets any compatible AI, doesn't matter if it's OpenClaw or Claude or some other agent, just plug right into any compatible tool or service without needing any custom wiring. It's a game changer.
Okay, so Discord MCP gives you two main ways to connect your AI. The one you'll almost always want to use is called HTTP singleton. This is where you run one persistent server that just stays on, keeping your bot constantly connected to Discord. It's way more efficient and absolutely perfect for an always-on agent. Then there's the legacy CTDO mode. This one, well, it starts a whole new server for every single task, which is not very efficient. It's really only suited for simple one-off commands.
All right, so we've covered the what and the how, but let's get to the important part, the why. Why does any of this actually matter? Well, it matters because it completely changes the game for what your AI agent can do. It's all about unleashing its true potential. And this is the magic phrase, right from the source article. You get all of this incredible new functionality without writing a line of integration code. I mean, let that sink in for a second. No custom glue code to connect your AI to Discord. That saves you a just enormous amount of development time and complexity. You just connect it, and you're good to go.
This is what shifts your AI from being just reactive to being truly proactive. Suddenly, it has outbound capabilities. Just imagine your AI automatically posting a daily summary to your stand-ups channel, or routing alerts from some other system right into your server. It could even read a channel's history to get context before it replies. This isn't just another bot. It becomes a real automation engine for your whole community.
So, are you feeling inspired yet? The best part is how surprisingly easy the setup is. The recommended way uses Docker, and it really just boils down to 4 simple steps to get you from 0 to fully up and running.
And here they are. It's super simple. First, you'll create an environment file. Second, you start the Docker container. Third, you just make sure it's actually running. And finally, you connect your AI client to its new Discord superpowers. We're going to break down each one of these right now.
Step 1. Creating your .env file. First up, you set the profile to HTTP. That's for that efficient singleton mode we just talked about. Then you'll add your bot's token, which you can just grab from the Discord developer portal, and the Discord guild ID. Now that one's technically optional, but it's super convenient. It just sets a default server so you don't have to type it in every single time you issue a command.
Okay, next up, steps 2 and 3. You just run a single command, docker compose up, and that's it. It handles everything, pulling the image, building it, starting the server. And to check that it's working, you just query its health endpoint with curl. If you see that little fun status up, you're golden. Your server is ready.
And finally, step 4, connecting your agent. So for an agent like OpenClaw, it's just one more command. All you're doing here is telling it the name of the new toolset, Discord MCP, and the URL where it can find it. And that's literally it. Your AI is now officially connected to Discord.
So once you're all connected, what can your AI actually do? This is where things get really exciting. You've basically just handed your agent a massive toolbox for interacting with Discord in all kinds of ways. And just look at this, and this is only a small sample. Your AI gets tools for complete message management, sending, editing, reading history, even adding emoji reactions. It can manage channels, creating them, deleting them, moving them around. It's got user management capabilities to kick, ban, or assign roles. It can even create and manage scheduled events. I mean, it is an incredibly comprehensive set of actions right out of the box. Now, just a few practical things to keep in mind. First, and this is absolutely crucial, your Discord bot needs the right permissions on the server. If it doesn't have permission to send messages, well, the send_message tool is just going to fail. Makes sense, right? Second, since it's a Java app, that very first startup might take a few seconds, but it's nice and warm after that. And finally, just remember that if you want to work across multiple servers, you'll have to specify the server ID in each of your tool calls.
So, there you have it. That's Discord MCP, a super powerful, really easy to implement bridge that transforms your AI from this lonely worker into a genuine team collaborator. It just opens up a whole new world for automation inside online communities. The only limit, really, is your imagination. So the real question is, what will you build?